How to update Windows 11 sound driver. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Run. Then type in devmgmt.msc. Click on Enter and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find audio inputs and outputs. Expand it and you'll find speaker. Right click on it and then click on Update Driver. After you click on Update Driver, click on Search automatically for drivers. As you can see, the best driver has already been installed. If it's not installed, you'll find Install option. Or you can simply go to Windows Update and update your Windows. And this is how to update Windows 11 sound driver. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.